all the sauce, bro.
Your doors are really getting tore up. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Hey, how you doing? Great. Oh, this is deep. Wow, I didn't realize how deep the box is. Nice job. I do a lot of YouTube videos, JacobViral. Oh, okay. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man? I'd like to know, sorry.
My name is Kenny. I got England from HG15.
Those are 15s?
15s, yeah.
Is there a 6th order or 4th?
Fourth. I have no idea on the tuning.
Don't worry about it. Who built it?
Mike Metzger and Tim Johnson.
Okay. Awesome.
For sure.
How much power in your electrical?
I got two 370s and then 95 C-Max.
Okay. All right. Nice. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Really deep box. Really efficient. You can tell whoever built it did a good job. So, is the back open? Can I see it?
Yeah.
Your doors are really getting tore up. Sorry. It's all good, man. How you doing, man?
Hola, me llamo Juanita.
Give them all the sauce, bro.
I'm on my big bullshit. Bitch, I got
Put it out. shit, let's get started. Bitch, I got
I'm on my big bullshit. Get it started. Bitch, I got
Really clean sounding on the low frequency. Doesn't fall off at all. Thank you very much for the demo, man. What was your name?
Kenny.
Kenny. Thank you, Kenny. Appreciate it. Your doors are really getting tore up.